This time, I will show you how to sharpening the shears. The first, open the bowl to separate the slat of scissors. Be sure both the slat of the shears were not too straight. The slat of shears must a little bend. Provide 2 or 3 grindstones. And the grindstone the first, its surface must more raw. And the next, its surface finer. After it, provide the water to wet the grindstone. Then wet the slat of shears and the surface of the grindstone. Key is the main. Position blade of the cleaver with the grindstone. The position of the slat of shears should not be too slant as wet a knife. A slope of the slat of shears range 75 degrees. Then you just be pushed toward the front. Do not have toward the back. You must often wet the slat of shears and the surface of the grindstone. Then, after the slat of cleaver had shaft, reply side far in the slat of shear noticeably. Friction and push into direction backward and do not forward. Feel at the end of the finger are already sharp. Always push one direction ahead with feeling. Let a slope of the slat of shears unchanged. Then push again side far in toward the back. After the slat of cleaver had shaft, do the same thing with the grindstone definer. Lace a quittance of the slat of shears, perfect and durable. After you sure equity cleaver had perfect, try some cloth. So way sharpening the shear of my. Thank you very much.